Oh, great. A bit of gosh darn leak.
Make a U-turn in 1,000 feet, slide left, take the next left, sharp left, turn right on, continue on, in a quarter mile, at the light, in 600 feet, turn right on.
You have reached your destination.
Yup. And today's brake line making day. This is going to go from the master cylinder down to the three-way. I've got a couple of things. I've got the kit there, of course, flaring, adapters, tools, on and on and on, as well as big sucker and little sucker. So I'm going to bend and move and create and so forth using that. That's my brake bending tool, or brake line bending tool, and I already have a route of how I'm going to do this, so I'll get this done first and then just show you what I've done after I'm all finished. So this is about 20 minutes worth of work. And a little bit of a curve there, but that's okay. That looks really nice. All that looks pretty good. I'm going to put this into my my three-way first, and last I'll put it into the actual what do you call it? That sucker there. All right, that's in. It took a little bit. I had to take out all the stuff that the prior owner had very wisely put into the orifices of all this stuff, so as to prevent dirt and moisture and other crap from getting in. So I took the stuff out with a pair of needle nose pliers. There's most of it there, and swabbed it out with a Q-tip, etc., and there it is. So, JP, honestly, hats off to you for care and feeding of this thing, and so forth. You'll notice that I've not put the louvered inner fender portions back in yet, so getting to that was extremely easy. I am not displeased at not having gone all the way yet, so I guess I'll get those sometime soon. Okay, I've had to redo some of this stuff here. You can see that the route that I'm taking is going to be a little bit different. I've taken down probably 8 inches from the original "what the hell am I doing" route of the brake lines. This is my clutch line. Where the hell is that damn hose? Because I have a separate odds, for my rubber gate transmission and this long ass hose that I do not like. And I don't know what these. Anyway, that gets there, like that, and that side hooks up to what I just showed you here. Certainly doable, but I'm going to look for a better solution at some point because I'm not sure if I like it, honestly. And this will loop through, and like it's supposed to, get tied onto there with a clamp. This is what came with my car, and I had elected to go with a brand new one because I don't know how old this is. So I'm using this as a static display. As you can see on the other one, I've already hooked up all the lines so it won't leak. All I need to do is put it in with these fasteners that I spent a freaking hour looking for because I don't remember where the hell I put shit. And that's that. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to eat something. I'm crabby as hell right now. I don't know why I did the other video. I hadn't completed yet. Clutch cable, clutch pipe, hose, whatever. Also tied down so it's not moving, and going to be a little bit in the way. Goddamn, of the steering, but that's a big deal. It's rubber hose, so I am missing cotter pins. I don't know where the hell I put the damn things. Figures. So I'll either search for more or buy some tomorrow and put those in. There's no play at all. I don't know if they're supposed to be, but there's not gonna be. And all that I have left that I want to do before I stop and do something else is the fuel system, and I've got those lines ready to go. All I need to do is do it. I've already got the fuel pump rigged there. Wiring, of course, is something different. Well, wiring is easy, but let's see, where is the... There it is. So out of there, I will run the fuel line, and that'll, like I say, be pretty easy, relatively easy. All the way through and down and up and around, etc., etc. I've got a fuel filter. Oh, they're getting brave. Fuel filter to go. What I don't have are the hoses that go between the two carbs. So I don't know what the hell to do about that. I'm still waiting on the damn things from Moss. But I think it'll be relatively easy once I get the darn things, you know. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow and then post this, and then I'm gonna get to furniture redoing, which is this. This needs a lot of work, but it's gonna look awfully pretty after I'm done with it. Well, that's it. There we go. So, goddamn, I go to the garage to get to work, and I'm wearing headphones, and I hear this rush, and don't know what the hell it is. It's this. Jesus God. Garage is shaking. I've got pear trees in the front. They're blowing shit down. There's some thunder. And the power's been fluctuating. So, I may have to get my stuff done today. Okay, this was a bitch. And oh, by the way, my power went out, and there's trees down everywhere, and on and on. Okay, so, not that you care. I think it's kind of fun, actually. Fuel lines are done. I have not routed any of the electrical, of course, but I'll be doing a grounding wire to that. And there she goes into the fuel pump. You'll see I've got the piece of rubber there as this brace against that. The fuel pump's ground is right here, which is that, and to that I'll be tying the battery ground, so it'll go directly there. And there she goes, all the way down. Pause. Then through here, this of course, up and around. I've got it tied and stopped. Okay, this is the braided fuel line. Obviously it's flexible. This will go into the carbs. It's this line here, carb to carb, that I'm still missing. I'm going to put this away. I'm going to hurt myself. So once I get that, I'll be able to hook everything up, and that's going to be a 2-minute job, so I'm not worried about that. So I'm going to call this a moral victory, clean myself up a little bit, and then move my my piece of furniture into the center and start stripping. I'll do that tomorrow. How you doing, Dick? And these have been my helpers, and they haven't done a goddamn thing, but that's all right.